My name is Jessica. I'm the administration manager of HUA OU. Our company is into the production of red clay bricks, among many other things.
At HUA OU here in the company, we are into the production of many things, and also including the production of fired red clay bricks. Being what it is, fired red clay bricks, it has immense benefits, so much that it cannot just be expatiated, but I will name only but a few. Red bricks, as you all know it, is fire proof. Having been fired right from production at a high level of temperature, is fireproof. It has a high level of moisture resistance in its own sense. Red clay bricks is also bulletproof in its own sense. Also, it helps in the control of the indoor to outdoor temperature. That is why it is widely used in the Western world. It's plastering free. It has this load bearing force, that you can build your house without a lot of reinforcements. At HUA OU Clay Bricks, we have different types of clay bricks. We'll have the solid clay bricks, we'll have the perforated clay bricks. We also have our new pattern clay bricks, we call the 6 inches and also the 9 inches. So with this, we can be able to serve Nigerians.